Second problem in exercise 1.6. Find the value of k for which the equations kx minus 2y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2ky plus z equal to minus 2, x minus 2y plus kz equal to 1 have no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution. Here it's given three conditions here. According to these three conditions, we have to find the value of k. The first one is no solution. If it has no solution, find the value of k. If it has a unique solution, find the value of k. If it has infinitely many solution, find the value of k here. Okay. Let me see the problem there. Let me write the equations into the matrix format there. The matrix form of the given system of equation is k minus 2, 1, 1 minus 2k, 1, 1 minus 2k. And x, y, z will be there, and 1 minus 2, 1 is here. So we can change this, we can write this as ax equal to b there. Then augmented matrix a comma b. We can write this as a comma b equal to k minus 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 k 1. Here in second row we have 1 in this place of element. So we have to exchange R1 and R2 there, so that we got this 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2, k minus 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2 k 1. And then we want to make this element here and here as 0. For this, what we had to do there, multiply R1 by k, multiply by k now. So first we want to multiply by k now. That is nothing but, if you multiply 1 by k, it will be, here it is k, multiply this by k now. So that is k, and then here it is minus 2k, and then k and minus 2k, and then subtract this from R2. So R2 is here, R2 is k minus 2, 1, here also 1. So subtract now, that is minus, plus, minus, plus. So what will be the answer here? K minus k is 0. Here it is 0, in the place it is 0, and then 2k square minus 2 there. Here it is 2k square now. So it is my 2k square minus 2, and then here it is 1 minus k, and here it is 1 plus 2k. And then we want to make this as 0, isn't it? So straight away we can subtract R3 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 2 minus 2k, minus of minus 2k is plus 2k, and then k minus 1 is here, and then 1 minus of minus 2 is 3 now. And then if you simplify this, what we can get here? That R1 is as usual, the same thing will be remains here in R1, and then in R2 we can simplify as, take 2 as common here, so 2 into k square minus 1, and here in this place we can take 2 as common, so 2 into k minus 1 here, and then we have to do the simple calculations only here. This k square minus 1 can be written as k plus 1 into k minus 1. That is in the algebraic format, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this as k plus 1 into k minus 1 here. The remaining things as usual you have to keep here, keep as it is there. And then now again as usual we have to make this next element, this we have to make this as 0, isn't it? So what we can do that, we have to take this R2 and R3 here. Here already we have 2 into k plus 1, by the missing term in the here is k plus 1. So multiply R3 by k plus 1 and subtract this from R2, so that it will become 0 there. So I want to multiply R3 by k plus 1. So multiply this by k plus 1. What will become there? If you multiply with along with 0, it will be the same 0 only. And then if you multiply along with this k plus 1, what you will get there? 2 into k plus 1 into k minus 1. And then if you multiply along with this k plus 1 into k minus 1 will be there. Here 3 into k plus 1, k plus 1 is there. If we subtract this from this, what will get there? This becomes 0 there. So if you multiply, after the multiplication of k plus 1, these two will become 0. So we got 0 here. So if you multiply, here is k plus 1 into k minus 1 is here already, and if you subtract this, you will get k square plus k minus 2, and here already we have 3 into k plus 1 minus of this 1 plus 2k gives you k plus 2. Here from this k square minus plus k minus 2, we have the factors like k plus 2 into k minus 1. By using this factor, we can get the value of k is minus 2 and 1 here. So by making use of this solution, we want to check whether the equations have no solution, or unique solution, or many solution. Okay, so we want to find into 3 cases now. From this case 1, when k equal to 1, row of a comma b is 3 and row of a is 2. That means both row of a comma b and row of a is not equal. Therefore we can say the system is inconsistent and the system has no solution there. The first condition is the problem is given no solution. Okay.